everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to receive money on PayPal. Sending and receiving money on PayPal is easy. If you have a PayPal account and you know your email address, you already know how to receive money on PayPal. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how in more details. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by clicking open a web browser and log to your PayPal account. Once you log into your PayPal account, from the home screen of PayPal, click on the request button at the top right. Now, enter the sender's email in the text box, or you can also type their name or mobile number. Once you type in the email, click on Next. Now, on the next page, enter the amount you'd like to receive and then select the currency right below by clicking on this drop-down. Once you're done with it, if you'd like to add someone else as well, you can click on this link right here and add more people to the list. If you want, you can add a note at the bottom of the screen. You can mention the purpose of your request in the note. Finally, after everything's set, click on Request Now and you'll be able to request money on PayPal to one of your contacts. Now all you need to do is wait for the person to send you money according to your request. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.